Right now, officials across the world are working to contain the spread of the Ebola virus. And in Washington, the president announcing some major steps.
And now Detroit's Ross Jones has been monitoring the entire situation. He's here now with the latest.
Brett Glenn, good afternoon. Today, as President Obama appointed Ron Klain to oversee the country's response to the virus, Ebola patient Nina Pham began her first full day of care in a specialized isolation unit. This is new video of Nina Pham inside her Dallas hospital room. Her doctor, Gary Weinstein, behind the camera, speaking with his colleague turned patient. The video taken hours before Pham was transferred from Dallas to the National Institutes of Health Clinic in Maryland.
Her condition is fair, she is stable, and she is resting comfortably.
Her co-worker, Amber Vinson, the second nurse at Texas Health Presbyterian Hospital to contract Ebola, is now being treated in a top biocontainment facility in Atlanta. New questions are now being asked about whether she was ill before she boarded a commercial flight from Dallas to Cleveland. Her mother says much criticism has been offered because she chose to travel home. Let me be clear, Amber wasn't sick when she came home, and she wasn't symptomatic when she departed to Dallas. All this as the investigation into how both nurses contracted the deadly virus intensifies. Texas has now restricted the 75 healthcare workers being monitored in Dallas from using mass transportation or congregating in public.
The 8 individuals that were in closest proximity to her, within 3 feet, are under active monitoring with 2 temperature checks a day.
The University of Texas says it will receive and dispose of all the Ebola waste from the infected patients in Dallas. While the threat of Ebola is one that should be taken seriously, we need to point out that right now there is no reason to believe that the virus has made its way to Michigan. In fact, today Dr. Arnold Monto, a 30-year professor of epidemiology at the University of Michigan, said it is very unlikely the virus will ever make its way here. I'm Ross Jones for the Now Detroit.